this video, I'm going to show you how you can cut your video footage from the middle in Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is just open the Canva website and click on Create a Design in the top left hand side. Then from the template, click on Video, select Uploads from the left hand navigation, and then just go and upload the video that you want to cut. Once you've uploaded your video, we're then going to drag it over to the timeline like this. Now, in order to trim this video, what you can do is click on this top layer over here and then just drag the edges to trim either the beginning or the end. Now, if it's a middle section that you want to trim, then what we're going to have to do is split the video into two. Now, you can do this just by moving the playhead to where you want the middle section to be cut out from. Then we're just going to right click on the video footage and then click on Split Page. Now you can move the playhead again to where you want this middle section to end, and then once again right click and press Split Page. So this middle section here is the part that we wanted to cut out, so all we would need to do is right click on it and then press Delete Page. And now just like that, we've cut out and trimmed the middle part of our video, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.